Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, the place where we bring you the most honest and thorough reviews to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're taking a closer look at the BLACKDECKER BL1400DG Quiet Stainless Steel Blender with Cyclone Glass Cup. This blender promises a quieter, more efficient blending experience with some unique features that aim to make your time in the kitchen more convenient. But how well does it really perform? Let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. The BLACKDECKER BL1400DG is designed to offer a blend of power, convenience, and quiet operation. One of the standout features is the quiet technology, which reduces blending noise for a more pleasant experience. It also boasts digital controls with 3 speeds, 3 smart functions, and a pulse feature, all designed to give you the perfect consistency every time. On top of that, the blender offers 900 watts of ice crushing power, with a Cyclone glass jar that helps achieve faster blending by creating a vortex flow. The 6-tip serrated blade is designed to optimize blending efficiency, while the included 24-ounce Tritan personal blender jar with a travel lid adds extra convenience, allowing you to make personal-sized drinks at home or on the go. When it comes to real-world testing, setting up the BLACKDECKER BL1400DG is incredibly straightforward. The digital controls are intuitive, and the different speed settings make it easy to find the right one for any task. I tested the blender with a variety of ingredients, including fruits, vegetables, and ice. The quiet technology definitely stands out, as the blending process was quieter than many other blenders I've used in the past. The Cyclone glass jar did its job, pulling ingredients towards the blade for a more efficient blending process. The 6-tip serrated blade really helped create a smooth consistency, even when blending tougher items like frozen fruit and ice. In terms of performance, the blender did an excellent job of making smoothies and shakes in just a minute or two. The personal blender jar was also a nice touch for creating single servings, and the travel lid made it easy to take smoothies on the go. Now, as for the pros of this blender, it's clear that the quiet technology and the blending power stand out. The blender is relatively quiet compared to other models in the same price range, which makes it ideal for use in households where noise can be an issue. The 900-watt motor provides more than enough power to blend through ice and frozen ingredients, and the Cyclone glass jar helps create a vortex that ensures even blending. The 6-tip serrated blade technology is also a key highlight, as it works seamlessly with the jar design to make the blending process faster and more efficient. Another big plus is the included 24-ounce Tritan personal blender jar, which is perfect for making single servings. And the travel lid means you can take your beverages with you, making it ideal for busy mornings. On the flip side, there are a few things to consider. While the blender is quieter than most, it's not completely silent, and the noise level may still be a bit noticeable depending on your environment. The digital controls are easy to use, but some users might find them less tactile compared to physical buttons or dials. The 24-ounce personal jar is convenient, but if you're blending larger batches, you'll have to either blend multiple times or invest in a bigger jar. Additionally, the blender can get a little messy if ingredients are overfilled, and it's important to follow the recommended instructions for best results, like cutting ingredients into smaller pieces and starting on low speed. In terms of value for money, the BLACKDECKER BL1400DG offers a solid balance of power, convenience, and innovative features, especially for those who value quieter performance. With its 900-watt motor and unique 6-tip blade, it stands out in its price range for performance. However, compared to some other blenders that offer similar power, but might lack the quiet operation or the personal blender jar, this model holds its ground, particularly for those looking for a quieter experience. If you're considering something similar, brands like Ninja or Oster offer models with comparable power and features, but you might not get the same level of quiet operation. If noise reduction is a priority for you, then the BLACKDECKER model could be the right fit. When it comes to build quality, the BLACKDECKER BL1400DG appears solid. The materials feel durable, and the Cyclone glass jar adds a touch of sophistication compared to traditional plastic jars. The 6-tip serrated blade is sharp and robust, designed for consistent performance over time. However, like most blenders in this category, long-term reliability could be affected by how well it's cared for, especially in terms of cleaning. It's essential to follow the manufacturer's instructions to avoid issues with wear and tear. While there isn't a lot of long-term data yet on this particular model, BLACKDECKER has built a strong reputation for reliability in the kitchen appliance space, which bodes well for the longevity of the blender. In terms of customer support, BLACKDECKER generally has a solid reputation. I didn't personally need to reach out to them during the review period, but the brand is known for providing helpful support and has a decent network of service centers if anything goes wrong. If customer service is a concern for you, BLACKDECKER's established track record adds peace of mind. Since this is a simple blender, there's no need for any significant software or firmware updates. The technology built into the BL1400DG is straightforward, focusing more on blending power and ease of use rather than complex features that would require updates. To wrap things up, the BLACKDECKER BL1400DG quiet stainless steel blender with Cyclone glass cup offers a great blend of quiet operation, power, and user-friendly features. It excels in blending efficiency with its innovative blade technology, and the quieter motor is a standout for those who need a more peaceful experience. While it may not be perfect for larger batches and does require careful attention to ingredient size and jar capacity, it performs admirably for personal-sized servings and everyday blending tasks. If you're in the market for a blender that blends well, works quietly, and offers convenience for single servings, this is definitely worth considering.